Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with SigFig. Review My Usage Experience. SigFig Review My Usage Experience offers investment portfolio analysis and recommendations. It's designed for individuals who want a clearer picture of their investments and potentially better returns, but may not have the time or expertise to manage them actively. Key features likely include portfolio analysis, automated rebalancing suggestions, and potentially tax optimization advice. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing plans. SigFig positions itself as a user-friendly alternative to traditional financial advisors, offering transparency and potentially lower fees than traditional management. They emphasize ease of use and claim to provide personalized investment advice tailored to individual risk tolerance and financial goals. Their website mentions a variety of investment strategies and a focus on minimizing fees, with details on pricing readily available. Availability is likely broad, though specific details are on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using SigFig. Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. I linked my existing brokerage accounts, and within minutes, SigFig had compiled a comprehensive overview of my entire investment portfolio. The interface is clean and intuitive, navigating the dashboard to check my asset allocation, performance metrics, and proposed adjustments was straightforward. I was particularly impressed by the clear visualizations of my portfolio's performance over time. The rebalancing suggestions were practical and easy to understand, presented in a way that didn't require deep financial expertise. The platform's speed was consistently good, and I never experienced any glitches or delays. I had a quick question about tax implications of one of their recommendations, and their support responded within 2 days via email, a reasonable timeframe. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, making it less convenient for on-the-go checks. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with SigFig. The standout feature for me was definitely the clear and concise portfolio analysis, presented in an easily digestible format. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and provided valuable insights into optimizing my investments. That's my overview of SigFig. Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.